Social media is just for chatting. Using social media is nothing but just a waste of time. Social media is everything. So if you are not utilizing social media, then ultimately will not grow nowadays. So every brand needs social media. Every individual needs social media. We all get information from social media. Social media is everything now. Cryptocurrency is just a scam, so there is no real value behind it. So what's the point of investing and losing all your money? Cryptocurrency is the future. Blockchain technology is shaping the way how we live. Cryptocurrencies can reduce the inflation. Cryptocurrencies can reduce the online scams. We might use cryptocurrencies to pay our daily bills in the future. Online learning is not possible. There is no direct interaction between tutor and the student. So online learning will not really add any value. Online learning is everything. So if another COVID-like situation occurs, then online learning is the only thing that we have, and that is what we are habituated already. Offline learning needs a lot of effort. We need to travel and we need to spend a lot of money, but online learning is almost free. So everything can be learned online and everyone can teach online. Freelancing is not secure. So if we get a government job or an IT job, then ultimately we can sustain and we have some job security. Freelancing is everything. So suddenly if we might lose job because of pandemic like situation, it will be difficult for us to search another job. But if you are a freelancer, then there is no such thing called layoff or something. So you will work on your free time and you will work at your flexibility, and you can work for multiple companies and multiple clients. How can an individual works without going to office? We might face network issues in the home, so remote working is not possible at all. Remote working is the future now. So we all are highly habituated with remote working. Wi-Fi facility is almost available to every individual. We all are using internet. So remote working is the future. So the reason why I have compared 2012 versus 2022 is because, so 10 years back, the same way like how I felt in 2012 version. I mean, if we are positive about crypto, or if you are positive about online learning, or if you are positive about social media, then we might have been in a different position now. My main intention is like always explore different technologies, always explore different learning opportunities. So if you find anything trendy, just give few minutes of your time to learn about that, because we might not know in 2032 we will talk about NFTs, metaverse, similar to how we feel about cryptos today. So we cannot predict anything, but still if we find any opportunity in the latest technologies, give some of your time to explore about that. So there is no wrong in learning about the things that we aren't actually be a part of. So if you are a computer science engineer, it doesn't mean you should not learn about how electric cars work. You also need that. So electric cars might be the future. So but if you haven't taken your part, then ultimately you might lose the opportunity to grow in that space. So if you are an mechanical guy, doesn't mean you don't need to learn about blockchain, or you don't need to learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning stuff. You might need to know that. It doesn't matter whatever you are studying, it doesn't matter whatever the area that you are working. It is always good to learn about everything that is trendy. So that's the reason why I make content on different things on my YouTube channel. My intention is just to motivate people to learn everything, irrespective of your stream or irrespective of your area that you are already working. So I hope it helps. Thank you for watching.